All right, guys, welcome back to another one. This is going to be a fun one for me. As you guys know, I love doing like open houses. I love coming out to shops and everything else, and just showing you, what cars come out. It's always like a family thing, so it's always a ton of fun. But anyways, we're out here. I'm gonna show you where we came out to today. We're out in Maryland. We're at a place called Absolute Electronics out of Maryland. I'll drop their link below and everything else, and I'll show you what they're all about. They've been on the scene forever. I got done talking with the owner for a little bit, and man, it's great. So I'm gonna start down here. You know how it goes. We're at an electronics place, a bunch of music, everything else. So as we get close to the shop, it is what it is. So I'll try and take you guys through the shop space and everything too, and show you all the goodness that's out here. There's actually a ton of really just great cars. Look, I know you're like, stop talking, just show, and that's what I'm gonna do. We'll start out here with the 8.6s. Got a couple really clean ones. Let me show you guys. Get you out of this wide angle a little bit and show you guys what's out here. Just really clean. As you can see, we're fighting the light a little bit, but definitely I got 3 in a row that are just, that first yellow one's a nice, street track prep, but just that street stalker type of look. This one's like that next level up because he's got the Voltex setup, he's got everything else on it, and I mean, looks amazing. And then you got kind of a happy little, it's, the more you look at it, the more you see, it's got a little extra track tune to it. It's rocking the carbon mirrors, rocking the Voltex wing. He's got the swan neck on it. I absolutely love the swan neck. And then they all win awards for the wheels, because I love, again, a nice little street setup out here on the Inkies, right? We come down the white on white Avant GTs, which, man, I need some white wheels. I need some Avant GTs if I can fit them on my next ride. But they need to make them in a smaller size. So anyways, then you got the TE37s, and again, you can't go wrong on any of those, like none of them. So we're gonna keep coming down through the mix. Got a beautiful AP1 with the CR front lip, rocking the T's, spoon calipers. The other thing that I like about this is they did the full LED tails in the back. I love the LED tails. Look, check it out. LED tails. You got the OEM roof. Anytime you got an OEM roof, mad props for that, because they fit so good. They may not be the lightest, but they fit just so clean. We got the G37 wide fronts. He's got the slicks in the back. I mean, like, and just keep going down the line. Supra, wingless, TEs. Let's see, you guys know how I like to do. You're good, man. You guys know how I like to do with the Supras. Look, right-hand drive and a manual. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So it's another. That sounds good. Sounds amazing. All right, so we come over here. Got the little TSX. Got the R32 on the TEs. Nice and simple, little street stalker. Man, I miss my 32 already. Come over to one of the big boys here. Look, all Mopar phone under the hood. Look how beautiful. Let's see how it is up underneath. I knew it's gonna be nice in here. Look, fully done up on inside. What do you guys think? Wait, I could drive one of these. I get nothing but in trouble, but I could drive one of these. You got the GS dumped out. Look, just tucking. I'll get back around and show you guys the front in just a second. Nice little Miata. Again, I can't knock them. Like, everybody wants to knock the EVs, but look how good it looks. Ah, they just popped the lights on for me out there. Look, full custom setup in the back. We're gonna head down this way, but music's playing, so let me show you the front of these cars a little bit before we get there, and I'll show you guys what's over here. It's that beautiful GS they got right there. He's showing you how to use your drone as a gimbal right there. That's your drone as a gimbal. That's the way he's doing that. But you got the GS300, the Aristo, whichever way it is. It's so tinted on that front windshield. I couldn't tell you if I wanted to. But let's run down through. Let me see if I can show you guys the stuff in the front before the music gets turned back up. Got a little dumped out S2000 on the CRs. Little over fenders in the back. Huge, absolutely gigantic chassis mounted wing back here. Got a couple A90s. It's clean though. It looks good. Got the carbon roof on it. So you got the two A90s. Again, you get the just regular street prepped, and then you come over to more of a track prepped. Got the little canards on it, everything else. Got the lower diffuser. Man, I love what they're doing with the LED lights. Look at this thing just dance. Ah, it's so cool. Little Celica. I'm pretty sure we saw this, which I got caught without my camera. It happens. But I'm pretty sure I saw them at a rest stop on the side of like 95 a couple weeks ago, and they were going to like an MR2 meet, which was pretty cool. So I had a bunch of MR2s show up and everything else, a bunch of other little Toyotas, and he was one of the ones that came out. I'm getting closer and closer to that music. So I'm gonna show you a couple other cars over here. Then I'm gonna pan you through and show you what else they got out front. They got a couple really beautiful S2000s, another GS down there. This Viper's absolutely amazing. I mean, look, so let me show you guys. That's not real. How you like that? I mean, that's absolutely crazy, because I have to see if I can get some more information on it, because the whole front end's just a front clip-on. Like, it's a quick release setup on it. So I don't even know. Like, the body and everything else on it. Okay, that one's super cool. I'm gonna have to figure that out. We got a bakery here. They're gonna do some business today, because everybody here is gonna want to go in there and grab some stuff. All right, let me show you guys this back row, and then I'll get up into that shop space and show you guys a little bit of that shop space. Got a little fit friend. Got some love up here for the fit. I was showing you guys the A90s. Let's see what else we got over here. See if we got anything else. I think I got you. Oh, we got another little S2000 stock one. Got the roof down. He's dealing with the sprinkles that are coming through. Everybody's starting to play. I mean, what do you expect when you come out to a stereo shop? You know, everybody's gonna want to flex what they got for, what they got either done here, or what they got for a stereo. Be like, listen how clean it is. Let's see. I don't see anything else down here. It's all just extra parking for the extra shops that are down here. I mean, we're in a good little industrial section. It says about cars up on that one. Santana Automotive Tire Service. And then we got, I'm going to take you guys through. I'm going to show you the Supra, the GS, which is crazy. You got two wide body S2Ks up here. Let me show you those, and then we'll go in, and I'm gonna show you the Absolute Electronics and show you their area. Okay. All right, guys. So what'd you think about that? So a lot of stuff that happens off camera that you guys don't always get to see is I went in, you know, music's playing, everything else. I'm gonna show you guys some, you know, like B-roll, some, you know, cinematic type, you know, that kind of stuff. And I bump into a couple people. So then I just start talking. And it's a lot of stuff I can't keep on camera, you know, and everything else. But so next thing I know, I'm talking to track guys, I'm talking to S2000 guys. It's just, and we just, you know, we're just vibing for like a half an hour, 45 minutes. It's been almost an hour that I was in there, and we're just kind of going and doing our thing. If you guys have the opportunity, do open houses. Go out to you know, performance shops when they have meets. Go out and do stuff like this, because everybody you meet is, it's always fantastic. I always have the best luck when I come out and do this kind of stuff. I love cars and coffee events too. You guys see me, I go out to all of them, you know, I try and find all of them, and they're good too. But what I find is at the cars and coffee meets, most everybody's kind of running around and everybody wants to see everything. Like I said, out here, when you do an open house or you're at like a shop tour or something like that, there's less people and everybody's just talking. Everybody's hanging out. You know, nobody's like running around everywhere because you're in a smaller lot. There's less cars. But the interaction and everything that you have with everybody is just absolutely fantastic. So this was great. You guys check them out. The Absolute Electronics out here in Maryland. You know, like I said, I'll put their link down there. So you guys let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you guys like the open houses and the shop tours as much as I do. I'm going to keep running through. I keep meeting more and more people, which I'm setting up those car reviews and interviews and everything else too. Those are coming soon. So you guys, thank you for all your support. I'm going to get out of here for today. I'll see you guys at the next one. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed it.